So my name's Calvin Rhys-Jones. I'm doing a production apprenticeship, so I'm working within the marketing and audiences team, specifically then in the social team. So working on a lot of social media content, things like that. From Carmarthen, I moved up to Aberystwyth, which I really liked, and then up to Cardiff way. Over those sort of years I've been moving around, I have been freelance working, so as a video editor, so quite applicable to the apprenticeship. And yeah, I think that was a good 6 or so years since I left school that I was doing freelance editing, and I really enjoyed it. So I found that trying to get work as a freelancer in its own world is difficult. You know, you're bidding against all these other freelancers. But I thought that having a bit more of an established background / qualification in a production environment would really help with that. So I'm open to going back to freelance after this, assuming I'm not offered a job or something at the end of it. But yeah, I think having this sort of background will really help in getting clients in the future. So, you know, it proves that I've got a bit of a track record in production. So far I've been working on 2 different social media promos for TV shows. One of them is a 60 years rewind, so looking at some of Welsh history and music. The other one was, I think it was on the same show, but was focusing more on like the history of the harp in Wales. So a lot of strong history there, but just taking sections from the long form content, taking that out, branding it for BBC's purposes on their social media, adding subtitles, things like that, and then getting that sent off and reviewed and everything. As for what I'd like to do for the next sort of 18 months, more of the same. I've got strong background already in social stuff, so I think I'd be happy doing similar things. I'd quite like to get some experience maybe on the filming side of things, so getting just to use a camera, getting a bit used to it, and setting up shots and shoots and things like that. So I think that's probably what I'd like to get out of it. Yeah, I think it's a nice sort of break up from being in the office, during the week, so it's nice to sort of get away. And I actually haven't had a chance to meet all of these other apprentices because I started a little bit later. So it's nice to sort of come here, sit in a room with all these guys and work on some stuff. And yeah, it's been fun. Looking forward to the rest of it and seeing what else there is. Yeah, I think so. I think it'd be nice to just sort of touch base and make sure progress is going as it's supposed to. Everyone here is super friendly, so it's been nice to sort of get integrated and get to know people. Yeah.